Have you ever been flipping through your TV channels and landed on the Weather Channel just to find a tornado pop up on the screen? Or even a storm rolling through the county you live in with a tornado watch or warning? Well, today I'm going to tell you some details about how tornadoes form, where they form, and why. Many of you may know tornadoes have a prime season they occur the most during. But with their unpredictability, they can happen at any time of the year. According to stormaware.gov, for southern states, the tornado peak season is March through May, and for northern states, it is late spring through early summer. Now, if you were to live in the central part of America, that area's nickname just happened to be Tornado Alley. Tornadoes can occur at any time, but most likely between 3 and 9 p.m. All tornadoes form from a rotating storm called a supercell thunderstorm. The prime condition for them to form is when warm, moist air and cool, dry air meets. The area of rotation for a tornado is created when the wind direction changes and the velocity increases with the height. When a tornado is around, there will be a loud roar, kind of like a freight train. The sky is dark greenish. If the funnel is not visible, there will be a cloud of debris forming to let people know where it is located. Some people do not understand the difference between a tornado watch and warning. Well, a watch is just the development is possible to happen and to be aware at all times. A warning means there has been a tornado spotted and you should seek shelter immediately. Now we have learned how tornadoes form, we can move on. Like shoes or clothes, tornadoes come in different shapes, but most importantly, strengths. I'm going to tell you about the enhanced Fujita scale of tornado intensity. An EF0 tornado is the tamest kind of tornado. It has winds of 65 to 85 miles per hour with very little damage. The next tornado is an EF1, and its range is from 86 to 110 miles per hour. EF2 tornadoes pick up at 111 to 135 miles per hour with considerable damage. These leave mobile homes demolished. Now on to EF3 tornadoes. They have winds from 136 to 165 miles per hour. With this tornado, trains are overturned and cars are lifted off the ground. With an EF4 tornado, they have winds from 166 to 200 miles per hour. These leave houses leveled in piles of debris. Last but not least is the monster tornado. An EF5 tornado has winds over 200 miles per hour. This leaves nothing of strongly built houses and uses cars and other automobiles as missiles. Since 1953, there has been 59 EF5 tornadoes reported. According to weatherkids.com, 69% of tornadoes are called weak tornadoes, which means they last 1 to 10 minutes and have winds less than 110 miles per hour. WeatherKids also states only 2% of tornadoes last over an hour and have the label of violent tornadoes. As we see in this speech, tornadoes are extremely unpredictable with no set pattern of where they're going to go and for how much time. You need to be aware of how to stay safe, and only when the coast is clear you can come out. NationalGeographic.com states tornadoes kill at least on average 60 people a year in the U.S. Half of these people are even killed by debris flying through the air. I hope this speech has given you a better understanding of tornado. It is important for you to know how to stay safe.